people are having extreme emotional reactions to this situation. So let's dive into that and see what's going on beneath the surface. Now, if you wait to the end of the video, I'm definitely gonna provide you with some free resources how to deal with feelings like this. Don't touch your face! How blessed we all are. It's the worst thing! The worst thing! The Real Housewives of Atlanta reunion has been postponed indefinitely! Go! And I'm saying we because most of my viewers live in the West, and yeah, we live pretty blessed lives. Of course, it's not perfect, but given the current situation, let's look back at how it went in the good old days. People would be running in the streets, screaming their head off. We're all going to die! Get yourself to safety! It's understandably a scary time for a lot of people. A virus is going around that can give serious health complications and even cause death. With travel being restricted, a lot of you won't be able to visit your family and other loved ones. That's very tough to deal with. Fear of that is our most primal fear. So it's completely logical for this fear to surface in a time like this. And if you've never been confronted with your own mortality, then it's quite logical that you're having an extreme emotional reaction to this right now. What also can happen is that it triggers something old, an old situation where you might have gotten close to losing your life, or a loved one has gotten close to losing their life, and it's triggering those old unprocessed emotions. Another trigger can be unfulfilled dreams and passions. So you were living your life one way, desiring a different lifestyle, but thinking you have enough time. And now you get confronted with, time might be running out. So I say seize the moment and start making plans and preparations. So when all of this blows over, you can start chasing that lifestyle that you truly desire. Express the feelings that you have shelved. Are you mad at someone? Do you love someone? Tell them now. Tell them! If you feel that the pressure is getting too much for you, please don't be ashamed to reach out for professional help, okay? That's what we're here for. I always work online, but I've also seen therapists that are usually just in private practice taking their practices online. So there's definitely help out there for everyone. So be sure to reach out if that's what you need. This time around with this outbreak, we are in a perfect position to deal with this. We have never had better and faster communications worldwide, so we know what's going on everywhere. And our medicine has evolved so far. So if we compare it to situations of 100 or a couple hundred years ago, really we could not have been positioned better this time around. Plus, if you're getting quarantined, you are quarantined with the internet. So you have access to a lot of your favorite entertainment. So please hold on to that and make the best of it, okay? I always work with trauma survivors on their recovery, and a very important part of that recovery is working on the foundation. Now, the foundation of all of us is under stress now because our safety is under stress. Now, I have made an entire free workshop purely focused on how to fix that foundation. So you can go to illkiller.com and look for the free grounding workshop, and I will take you to the whole thing. If you think, well, my foundation is good, but I really would like to know how to process emotions, I got that for you too. It's the big emotion block, also on illkiller.com. And if you feel like I just want to be uplifted, I got that for you too. It's my super powerful healing meditation. And I always tell people, It sounds a little exaggerated, the title, but it really is true to form, and it will uplift you, and it contains 4 healing techniques that just empower you all over. And sometimes it makes people cry, but I always say it's like a beauty cry, a happy cry, instead of a devastating sad cry. So definitely check that out. That's on my YouTube channel. I will link somewhere around where you find this video, okay? And the last thing I want to say, do subscribe to all of my social media channels, and do subscribe to my newsletter on illkiller.com, because if you subscribe to that, you get the free ebook 4 ways to speed up your emotional recovery. And I don't think that would be a wasted effort. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.